We Love Bunk Beds by Paula Metcalf. No matter where Shirley was, her little sister Doris was never far away. Doris wanted to be with Shirley everywhere. This was not always a good thing. But if Mommy ever needed to find Doris, she never had to look very far. Shirley got so used to her little sister being around that she sometimes forgot that Doris was even there. Shirley loved to ride her bike, and so did Doris. But Mommy worried that this was dangerous, so she bought the girls a present. Oh dear, sighed Mommy. Shirley and Doris shared a bedroom. Doris's side of the room was always neat and tidy. But Shirley's wasn't. Poor Shirley. Her bed wasn't big enough for two growing elephants. One day, Mommy said, "You're a big girl now, Doris. Wouldn't you like to sleep in your own bed?" Doris didn't like Mommy's idea very much. But then, Mommy had another idea. "Everybody in the car," she called. "We're going into town." In the furniture shop was something Doris had never seen before. Bunk beds. "If we got bunk beds, Doris," said Mommy, "you could stay close to Shirley every night." Luckily for everyone, Doris loved the idea. Mommy ordered the bunk beds. They would be delivered next Tuesday. Doris quickly became a bunk bed expert. "The best thing about bunk beds," she explained, "is that sometimes you can sleep on the top and sometimes you can sleep on the bottom." "Exactly," said Shirley. "We can even swap over every night if you like." "Hooray!" shouted Doris. "I can't wait." Neither could Shirley. Finally, the bunk beds arrived. "Top or bottom, Shirley?" asked Doris at bedtime. Shirley couldn't believe her luck. She clambered up to the top bunk. "Good idea, Shirley," said Doris. "And tomorrow we'll sleep on the bottom." The end.
Hi everybody! If you like this video, subscribe here for more. Bye!